Alright guys, let's take a quick look here at Uniswap. As you can see, Uniswap is fighting this daily resistance at about $8.25. You can see for the last, well, like week or so, it's been trying to break through this. If I zoom in, you'll see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points there, basically in 7 days. And then after it breaks this point, it's got to go up here. If it would make its way up there today, it'd be about $9.02 to break this trend line. After that, you have a weekly resistance up here at about $9.80. And after that, you have a daily resistance up here at about $10.40, let's say. So, yeah, guys, you can see, it's just struggling with this trend line. And I mean, basically, it's struggled since the end of May, pushing through this. You can see there's plenty of touch points right here on this line, and it just can't break it. So that's the big resistance for Uniswap right now. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is trying to push its way through this trend line right now, and at the moment it is sitting right on basically this trend. Let's see if it can make a little bit of a push today. Hopefully it doesn't fall under the Fibonacci here, and hopefully we can break through this trend and make our way up to 60.2 on this daily resistance. Then you have a weekly resistance at 61.3, and then you've got these 3 dailies to contend with. So I've talked about these in many videos. I think this area is going to be kind of hard resistance for Bitcoin. But yeah, right now Bitcoin is being pushed down by this trend line. Now it has to make a decision basically today, whether it's going to break down from this Fibonacci or if it's going to move up. So otherwise, talking about PPI today, PPI was pretty bad, but the Michigan numbers did kind of help us in the end, and Bitcoin did push up a little bit after those numbers came out here. But PPI was much worse than CPI yesterday. Now, the expectations for this month to cut rates is only about 6.7%. So more than likely, we're not going to get a rate cut. But we'll see, guys. You just never know. Maybe Powell will do a surprise cut as elections are nearing. Now, anyways, let's go back to Uniswap real quick. Let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, the last 4-hour candle was pretty good, but this candle, yeah, you can see it's just being rejected. So yeah, I mean, there's plenty of 4-hourly candles that have touched this line, so far. But anyways, guys, that's what Uniswap needs to do, and that's what's going on with Bitcoin and the economic numbers and news. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.